In order for you to successfully create a perfect indentated short round brush blow dry, it's first best to practice the art of learning how to create indentation. So working on a diagonal section and practicing with putting your brush on top of the hair and your hairdryer underneath to create a flick and rolling it back is the best way to start learning this. So sometimes it's best to practice at the nape of the head or also on a small strip of hair if you're dealing with head blocks. So I'm showing you where you're starting at the nape, and then as you're moving further up the head, dealing with around the crown areas. So popping your brush in and your hairdryer under and getting used to that rolling back so you're creating that perfect flick and indentation. This can be tricky, so maybe sometimes it's best to have your hairdryer on a lower speed so you've got a little bit more control of the airflow. And once you get the hang of this, it will become second nature. So once you've got the handle of working on the nape, it's a good idea to practice on other areas of the head and work at blending it into the other sections that you've created as well, so it's nice and seamless. Through the front, I find the front can be one of the trickiest spots, so this is a good area to practice as well. So always having your brush on a diagonal and working at getting your hairdryer to sit underneath it and really practicing rolling that brush back.